This is Bruno. And Bruno came in as a stray on December 15th. He's a gorgeous boy. He's about a year old, and he's listed as a Gold Lab Pit Bull mix. He's a tall boy. He's got long legs. Yeah, he's a handsome guy. He's very people friendly. He's like a very nice doggy. But Bruno's stray hold is up, so he is ready for a home. What you sniffing of?
Ears. Ears. Come here, Bruno. Come here.
But he's here at the Rutherford County Animal Shelter waiting for adoption or rescue.